You can use A4 sized art paper, 200 adhesive. Both sides are glossy. Or 6-inch photo paper. It will be like this after printing. Each pattern should be slightly larger than the acrylic 2 inches. The tools you need include a ruler and a utility knife. The utility knife must be sharp. Then take out our tool kit. There are 2 specifications. This set has 5 pieces of acrylic, 5 pieces of magnetic stickers, and 8 pieces of high transparency double-sided tape. This set has 15 pieces of acrylic, 15 pieces of soft magnetic stickers, and 24 pieces of high transparency double-sided tape. Let's start. First, use the ruler to tear off the protective film on one side of the acrylic. Then take a piece of double-sided tape. Tear off the protective film. This step is crucial. Carefully align one side of the double-sided tape with the edge of the acrylic. After gently attaching it to the edge, slowly scraping it with a ruler. Then scraping along the 4 sides to expel the air bubbles. Check for any air bubbles against the light. If there are any air bubbles, you need to tear it off and stick it again. Next, tear off the protective film of the double-sided tape. Take out the pattern that has been cut. Align it with one side and stick it down. Put it on the table. Place the previously removed film underneath as a cushion, and then use the ruler to scrape out the air bubbles. This way, it will be smoother. Scrape from the middle towards the 4 sides. After scraping several times, tear off the protective film on the other side of the acrylic. Check against the lights to see if there are still any air bubbles. If there are any, scrape a few more times until there are no air bubbles left. That's it then. Then use a utility knife to cut off the excess paper. You can pick it up and trim the edges again. Finally, take out the magnetic sticker. Tearing off the protective paper, sticking it on. Press it firmly. It's successfully done.